So hi everyone, my name is Michael and I'm one of the co-founders and CTO of VoltStorage. And we are tackling one of the biggest problems that we still have with renewables. And that is basically baseload power from wind and solar power. And this is a hard to solve problem. So it's nothing you can just throw software at it. So this needs to be solved with hardware products. And to give you some numbers. So if you have a wind turbine or solar farm here in Germany, well, this is a use case based in central Germany actually existing, then if you want to provide baseload power, you can only achieve that for around 50% of the times of the year. So if you're a utility and provide baseload power with these assets, half of the time of the year, your customers would sit in the dark, and that's not very good, right? So what you need is, and we all know the solution for it, batteries, but not any batteries. You need batteries that you can actually charge and discharge, and especially discharge for longer periods of time. It's not just 2 or 4 hours, which is the common case at the moment, but in this case, 48 hours or even more than that. Because with a 48-hour battery, so a long duration energy storage battery, you can provide baseload power for over 95% of the times of the year. And why 95%? So basically that's what you can expect from fossil-fired power plants. So that is what you want to achieve as a utility or supplier. But what are there, what kind of batteries are there that can provide this 48-hour of duration? These are huge amounts of power and energy. And if you just see that it's a 24 megawatt hour installation next to a 3 megawatt wind turbine. So imagine having 10,000 of those wind turbines. How much energy storage you would actually need? And this is not realizable with existing technologies. So that is why we set out a couple of years ago to develop the so-called iron salt battery. It's a redox flow battery based on ultra low cost iron electrolyte and with proprietary cell and system technology. It's perfect for durations of 12 to 100 hours. It can run in ambient temperatures between -20 and +50 degrees Celsius without any cooling. Can be charged and discharged 10,000 times without any capacity loss, and a good point, uses abundant materials only. So you can produce it anywhere in the world and make, for example, a made in Germany battery, or made in Sweden, or made in the US, because you're not dependent on supply chains in China or Asia. And the cool thing is we patented this solution. So a lot of the stuff we invented over the past 5 years is patented and protected. But the most important point by a country mile for energy storage is the cost. And this is where the iron salt battery really stands out. So compare it to existing technologies such as gravitational energy, lithium-ion batteries, zinc-air batteries, or compressed energy storage, power to gas to power and thermal, which are more long-duration energy storage. Our battery solution is lower cost than that. But also, it has a much higher efficiency than thermal, hydrogen, compressed air energy storage, and these sorts. So it is the perfect technology to provide this kind of application. And there's other applications as well. Think of backup power for hospitals, server farms. Think of grid services and grid stabilization. It's not just about the baseload power case. Now, 2 questions remain. Like, where do we stand with it, and what can you do? So we're currently in the upscaling process. So over the past years, we proved all the performance figures, have been demonstrating this technology on a lab scale, but also on demonstrator and prototype level. And we're currently upscaling this technology to 50 kilowatt hour modules, which is the building block to realize megawatt or gigawatt hours of storage centers, or basically storage applications. We will have first tester modules available in the second half of next year, and are looking to outfit first pilot projects, which we are in talks with other utilities for early 2025. And I'm here today, but we're not raising any money. So we have raised just last year 24 million, bringing our total raise to 40 million euros so far. and we're financed well into the next year. But if you're interested, and if you're interested in the form of application, financing, thinking about investing next year, want to learn more about this, let's have a chat. I'm around in the next, today and tomorrow, and you can also contact me anytime and talk about this amazing new technology to transform our energy grid and make renewables available 24/7 for real. Thank you very much.